My crows are out front. Anyway, hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, it's Adam the Benz mechanic back with another video. So today I'm just doing a video of the ignition tune-up on the M104 engines. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about that. Can show you how to do it. It's quick, it's fast, it's easy, it's nothing hard or time consuming about this job. So I just wanted to put my little input of how to do this, maybe hopefully adding some tips, some tricks to make this easier for you. Unfortunately, our cars are getting older, not a lot of parts available like years ago. Stuff is hard to find. Part stores don't have these parts, and of course I had to wait about a week and a half for all these parts to get here, unfortunately, and decided to make this video for you guys. So anyway, check out the rest of the video, and hopefully any of this information will help you out. As I came over here to, of course, the blink codes. They always say look for your codes before anything else. Don't just pull everything off, just go for the codes. Hit that, and then blink number 7, which for the sputtering and all that type of stuff, said ignition system fault. And I got the bremi, which are really good quality ones as well. I think they're just as good as the Mercedes-Benz ones that are right there, into the quality. So I've always used them, but they just been. And then I just ordered the pack with, I guess it's Carline, which are pretty good. And then the bremi ones are here. These actually look pretty good too. They're really nice, solid weight to them and feel. Nice rubberized texture to them. So I think the bremi and these connectors here by Carline is really pretty good. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Put the pack upside down, and you put the little adapters onto the bottom here. You know, connect them, make sure they're good, and then you have your pack that's ready to go in there. All right, so after you got those pretty much all put on, pushed down, nice and tight, and you find out which one goes to one, because there's one that's really long that goes from the back all the way up here to the front. Then there's a short kind of one that goes from right here to this, then a medium length one that goes from back here all the way up to right here. So you follow that. Now what you're supposed to do is put the wires back underneath these little slots right here, and they would have a black plastic kind of like wall that goes behind these, but they're very brittle, and mine have already broken off. So you're just gonna have to find a way to kind of tuck them safely, kind of out of the way, and then on top of each other to the best of your ability, so they're not touching. Because, all right, so once you're all done with that, make sure everything's down nice and tight, and then you can just see where the wires are nice and tucked in there nicely. Unfortunately, little black clips that go on there are broken already, and make sure they're not really touching or anything. They got a little space, and then, you know, you should be all good. And then the final step, as you already know, is to put the cover back, if I'm doing it right, put the cover back on. If I do just 2 hands, and then take your screws and then put them back down. Then you're good to go.